Everyone, welcome back for another HIIT workout. Okay, today we're doing a 12-minute EMOM workout, right? That's each minute on the minute. So I'm going to give you an exercise, I'm going to give you an amount of reps for that exercise, and you have 1 minute to finish it. If you finish it in 30 seconds, you get 30 seconds break. If you finish it in 40 seconds, you get a 20-second break. All right, we're doing this one together, so I'm going to tell you when your minute's up and be explaining the next exercise as we go along. All right, if you haven't already and you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any workouts like this one or any tips. And if you do enjoy it, hit the like button as well. Okay, so once you've done that, get yourselves warmed up, grab yourself some water, and let's dive straight in with today's workout. So guys, first exercise we're going to be doing, this counts as 1 rep. We're going to be doing an explosive squat, landing in a jumping lunge, swapping legs and coming back. Okay, so the explosive squat and 2 jumping lunges is 1 rep. We're doing 15 in total. All right, like I say, the quicker you do it, the more rest you get. When we're resting, I'll explain the next exercise. Okay, let's do this one. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So we're doing 15 in total. Squatting down, jumping lunge, yeah. It's 15 in total. It's 3. Keep it going. Nice. Good. Get as low as you can on the squat. That's it. 5 to go. Nice and low. Jumping lunge. Good. 3. Nearly there. Spot on. Good. Once you've done these, grab yourself a rest. You've got 20 seconds left. Okay. The next one we're going to be doing is burpees. Get the chest to the floor. Pop up. Little hop at the top. All right. 10 seconds to go, guys. If you're still going, keep working. Yeah. Then straight into burpees. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So we're down the floor, little hop at the top. That's it. And if you need the whole minute, then take the whole minute. That's fine. Okay? No problem. Just keep working. The quicker you do it, the more of a rest you get. But if you do need to take it slower, no problem at all. Keep it going. That's it. Nice. 20 seconds to go. Next one. You're going to do 15 push-ups. Okay. And 15 squats. Yeah. Just normal squats. Up to you how you want to do your push-up. I'll run you through the variations. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So either here or on the knees, yeah? If this is too hard, drop in the box and push up from there, yeah? Once you've done 15, up into your squats, 15 air squats. Get your hips below your knees. That's it, nice. Nearly there. Good. 20 seconds to go, guys. Once you finish that one, chill yourself out. Next one, mountain climbers. Okay, 1 knee driving up after the other. 60 in total. That's on both legs. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So 60, 20, good. 5 for him. That's it, nice. Keep working, just keep them going. Nearly there. Good. Once you've done your 60, relax. You've got 30 seconds. If you need to grab yourself a drink, grab yourself a drink, okay? Now, we're going back round to the start. Yeah, so it's 15 of your explosive squat, jumping lunge, yeah? 15 of those. Back round to the start. We're gonna do 2 more rounds of it. 12 minutes in total, 5 seconds left. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So nice and low. That's it. Fly through them. Keep working. Going from 1 straight to the next. It's 5. Oh. You got this. Nice. Just do as much as you can in the time. Good. Whew. Nearly there, team. Let's go. Have a relax when you finish. Good. Okay, back round to those dreaded burpees. 15 again, yeah? Got 15 seconds. Whew. Dreaded burpees. 10 seconds. Doing well, everyone. You got this. I'm knackered too. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Down for those burpees. These, I would say, are the worst. So, if you can, just try and wrap them out as quickly as possible. That way, you know, once they're done, yeah? Keep working. Doing well, guys. Keep it up, keep pushing. You got this. Chest to the floor. Back up. And relax. Okay. 15 push-ups. 15 squats. Next. 10 seconds to go. Again, whatever version of the push-up you want to do. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Smash room. Keep going. Once you're on 15. So add those squats in. Even though the legs are on fire, you got it. Nearly there. Once you finish those, treat yourself out if you need a drink. Remember, grab yourself a drink, yeah? Okay, next one. Back those mountain climbers, 60 in total. Drive the knees up as fast as you can. Okay, are we ready? 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, smash it. 20, let's go. 30, that's halfway. 40. That's 50. Keep it going. And 60. And relax, okay. Doing well, everyone. Last round of those 4, yeah? Last round, you've done really well. You can finish this. So it's 15 explosive squats with the 2 jumping lunges, yeah? You can do it, you can finish this easily. We've got 10 seconds. Gonna smash it, yeah? Last round, last 4 minutes. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Explosive squat, jumping lunge. That's it. Spot on. Lungs are on fire, legs are on fire. Just keep it going. That's all you need to do. Nice. Nearly there. Keep pushing it. Again, if you need that minute, take the whole minute. Just got less rest. Good team. That's it. And 15 burpees. Last time. You've got to do these burpees. Oh, I can't see it. Let's go. 10 seconds. Oh, are we ready? Smashing it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 15. Of everyone's favourite. Just keep putting it in. Keep working. Push yourself up. Off the floor. That's it. Just try and sprint it if you can. Get them over and done with. Oh, let's go. Doing well. Keep putting it in. Nice and low. Pull yourself up. Oh, once you're finished, well done. Relax. 15 push-ups. 15 squats. Next. Okay. Oh. Alright. Let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So again, those variations. If you want to drop onto your knees, yeah, can do. Drop in that box for the last one. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay. Whichever one. Just try not to stop. Make it easier before you stop, yeah? Good. Doing well. And max, right guys. We got one left, okay? Which is those 60 mountain climbers. You can do this. We've got 10 seconds. Oh. And then those mountain climbers. Let's finish it off. Try and blitz them. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. That's 10. Keep that. 20. 30, halfway. 40, let's do it. 50, last 10. And relax. Okay. Whatever, keep working. If you're still going, keep putting it in. Really well done. Finish it off strong. And keep working. Once you're done, relax. Okay. Fantastic work, everyone. Really well done. Hard, 12-minute short blast. That, if you managed it, you did fantastic. Yeah. If you did enjoy it, hit the thumbs up. Whoa. If you want to see some more, make sure hit the big red subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss out on any workouts like this one. Okay, but until next time guys, very well done. See you on the next workout.